I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And we're back with Van versus
Minivan.
Round 3 MotoAmerica picks for VIR. Okay, before we jump into our round number 3 picks, let's recap. But the important thing is the lead.
Yep.
I'm winning. I have a 42-point lead. You did better last week. You only lost 2 points, right? But I am winning. Dakota round was fantastic. All we had there was the Superbikes, but it was some great racing, which I got to see in person. Where were you?
At home.
How come? Oh, because I was there with your mom. I like hanging out with her more than I like hanging out with you, and that says a lot because I really like hanging out with you. So, race 1. We had Tony Elias, Cameron Boubier, and Garrett Gerloff. I picked Elias to win. Cha-ching. I picked Heron in second. He finished 4th. I picked Boubier in 3rd. He got 2nd. What'd you pick?
On race 1, I picked Josh Heron in 1st, Tony in 2nd, and then Garrett Gerloff in 3rd, and I picked Garrett Gerloff, and he ended up getting 3rd.
You did? Yeah, he ran a great race. Well, I got to tell you, race 2, man, it was awesome to be there in person and see that because Josh Heron, man, was that a great ride.
Mm-hmm.
That was fantastic race strategy, right? Different than we saw from the previous 3 races from him. And I love that. You can already, I'm sure, guess. Yes, Josh Heron first place, Tony Elias in 2nd. Cameron was in 3rd place. I picked Heron to win. I picked Elias in 2nd. Yes. I did pick Gerloff in 3rd place. He finished 4th. Who'd you pick?
I picked Cameron in 3rd, Gerloff in 4th, and then Josh in 1st. Didn't get anything.
Well, you did because 2 of the guys finished on the podium, so you got some points. So let's move forward and let's talk about VIR. Let's just jump right into the Superbike class. And since you're behind, I'll let you go first.
So last time. Okay, race 1, I got Tony Elias. 2nd place, Josh. 3rd place, Cameron. Race 2, I got Josh. 2nd place, I got Cameron. And then 3rd place, I got Tony Elias.
We're going to be pretty close on this one. And after watching those Suzuki's ride at COTA and just the way these 2 guys have looked this year, both Tony and Josh, I'm going to go with Elias to win in race 1, Heron in 2nd, and Cameron in 3rd place. Race 2, I think we're going to see a repeat of what we saw at COTA. Heron in 1st, Elias in 2nd. And I'm calling for my man Jake the Snake Lewis, number 85 on the M4 X-Star Suzuki Superbike, to put the damn bike on a podium. We want to see that, don't we?
Yep.
Super Sport. What's it going to be, dude?
Race 1, winner, I got SDK. 2nd place, I got Bobby Fong. And then 3rd place, I got Hayden Gillum. Race 2, I got winner is Fong. 2nd place, Gillum. And then Bryce Prince in 3rd place.
What happened to SDK?
What do you mean?
Where is he?
I don't think he's going to get it.
So I got to spend a little bit of time with both those guys down there at COTA. I got to tell you, a couple of great races on the M4 X-Star Suzuki team right now. I think these guys are the guys to beat. Bobby Fong especially, I mean, literally out there on the track, it looks like Mike Tyson in his prime, just throwing uppercuts. The close racing, him and Hayden Gillum, that's so much fun to watch. He doesn't even need a fender on his bike. So race 1, Bobby Fong to win. SDK 2nd, Hayden Gillum in 3rd. Race 2, Fong in 1st, again, picking him for the double. SDK in 2nd, PJ Jacobson, 3rd place.
Now it's time for the Look O'Malley Junior Cup. For race 1, I got Rocco Landers. 2nd place, I got Jackson Blackman. And then 3rd place, I got Samuel Lockoff.
What about race 2?
Race 2, I got Rocco Landers. 2nd place, I got my friend Joe Lamondre from Garden City, New York. And then 3rd place, I got Jackson Blackman.
This is some great racing. I mean, the Junior Cup, that is some really close, great racing, a lot of fun. And this Rocco Landers kid's pretty amazing. He's got a hell of a crew chief, too, that's for sure. Race 1, Rocco Landers in 1st. Dallas Daniels 2nd. 3rd place, Samuel Lockoff. I can't even read my own handwriting. That's bad, dude. Or is it because I need glasses? Race 2, Dallas Daniels in 1st. Lockoff in 2nd. Rocco Landers in 3rd.
Now it's time for the Twins Cup. Race 1, I got Turner winning it. And then 2nd place, I got Parrish. And then 3rd place, I got Michael Barnes.
Go ahead, hit race 2, man. Let's have it.
Race 2, I got Alex Dumas. And then 2nd place, I got Turner. And then 3rd place, I got Michael Barnes again. So.
Race 1, Michael Barnes in 1st, Alex Dumas in 2nd. Chris Turner in third. Race number 2, Chris Parrish to win, Chris Turner in second, Alex Dumas in third. We'll round it out now with a stock 1000. One race, I got Andrew Lee to win, Michael Gilbert in second, Stefano Mesa in third.
First race, I got Andrew Lee, and then I got Michael Gilbert, and then I got Miles Thornton. That's basically it.
I know why you're picking Miles Thornton. I don't care if you tell the truth or not. There you have it. There's our picks for week 3. This is van versus minivan. You're getting butt kicked again, dude. 100%. MotoAmerica Live Plus, a streaming app. It is money well spent. I think it's way better than GP Pass, so much so we asked for a refund on that. We're not watching that anymore because it's not exciting. You know, if Marc Marquez doesn't fall, he's going to win. It's pretty much the way it is. MotoAmerica, you want to watch some great racing.
Yep.
Superbike, awesome.
Super Sport and the Junior Cup.
Yeah, the other ones are good too, but man, those 3 are worth the price of admission alone. In my personal opinion, the thing to watch right now is that Super Sport race. Hayden Gillum, SDK, Bobby Fong, PJ Jacobson, Escalante. You can go on and on. There's so many really fast guys that have a chance to win, and they're racing close and hard. A lot of fun. VIR, be there. Watch it. MotoAmerica. Love it.